A couple of weeks back, I realized GitHub had launched a new feature that enables you to preview your code or your repository through the web version of VSCode. And in today's tutorial, we'll be checking out a few things. We have a checklist that we'll be going through to see if everything works as if you are using your regular VSCode. Let's get into it. Please consider clicking the subscribe button and also ringing the notification bell to get notified anytime I make a new video upload. So we'll be testing this particular project with the React Context API repo that we worked on in my previous tutorial. If you haven't watched that one yet, I'll link it right in the corner up there, so you can go watch it afterwards. So let's press the full stop or the period button and see what happens. Okay, it opens up the VS Code in your browser and it seems to be loading the repo. Okay, it loads the repo, so it basically allows you to preview your code just like you would in your normal VS Code. So over here I can, okay, it's just like your regular VS Code. This is a preview of the README. So it works well. So with the checklist that we have, we are going to check a few things. Can we modify the theme? So let's see if we can modify the theme. Okay, they have a number of them. Let me go for Monokai. I think, yeah. Okay, it works. I don't know if they can allow, okay, install additional themes. Okay, install, let's see. Okay, let's see. Color theme. Material. Okay, what we installed was the theme forward icons. Let me see, material themes. Okay, so over here you realize it says the material theme extension is not available in VS Code for the web. So some extension may not work in the browser, but it will work in your regular VS Code application. So the next on our checklist will be, let me change the color theme to the light version. I think this is much more presentable. Okay, so the next thing that I'll be checking will be whether the web version supports screen splitting or code splitting. However you decide to do it. Let me see, split to side. Okay, open to the side. Okay, it works. And let's see if it will allow us to. Okay. Okay, so over here you can split, and then the Control B or Command B shortcut also works in here as well. Let's see. Let me close this. Splitting. So the splitting, code splitting also works. Screen splitting. The next thing that we'll check will be let's see the shortcut for the terminal. Terminals are not available in your web editor. Okay, so yeah, so the terminal is not available in the web version yet. So I think you have to clone the repository to use it on your local machine. The next thing that I would like to check would be the let's try and create a branch. So new branch. Let's say let's be root. So we hit the enter. We want to switch to a new branch. Okay, switch the branch. Let's see. Okay, so we have our master branch and then the Crosby root branch. Let me open the actual project to see it's github.com/my name, username, then create context API. Okay, so over here, when you click on the branches, you realize we have two branches. We have the master branch, and then we have the Crosby root branch, the branch that we just created and switched to. So it's done. We've already gone over the extensions, and then what happens if we refresh the page while we are here? Let's see. Okay, so it doesn't take you back to the page, sorry, the repo. I think this is a very great tool for previewing your code while you are in your GitHub, so you don't necessarily have to be opening the code in separate tabs, and it's quite annoying sometimes, like this. Before you go through, then you come back, then you open another one. So I think this new addition solves this particular problem, and then it will increase efficiency as a developer when you are using your GitHub to review already existing code that you've written. Yeah, so it's a good addition. Big ups to GitHub for adding this particular VSCode extension to their platform. And thank you for watching. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider clicking the subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Thank you. All the best.